Today our topic name is Literature MCQs, World General Knowledge MCQs. Our first MCQs is who wrote the novel Pride and Prejudice. The right answer is Jane Austen. Next is who wrote the novel War and Peace. The right answer is Leo Tolstoy. Next is who wrote the play Hamlet. And the right answer is William Shakespeare. Who wrote the novel The Catcher in the Rye? The right answer is J.D. Salinger. Next is who wrote the poem The Raven? The right answer is Edgar Allan Poe. Next is who wrote the novel Moby Dick? The right answer is Herman Melville. Next is who wrote the novel The Great Gatsby? The right answer is F. Scott. Who next is who wrote the play A Streetcar Named Desire? The right answer is Tennessee Williams. Next is who wrote the novel The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? The right answer is Mark Twain. Next is who wrote the novel The Grapes of Wrath? The answer is John Steinbeck. Next is who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? The right answer is Harper Lee. Next question is who wrote the play Death of a Salesman? The right answer is Arthur Miller. Next question is who wrote the novel The Old Man and the Sea? The right answer is Ernest Hemingway. Next is who wrote the novel 100 Years of Solitude? The right novelist is Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Right, and next is who wrote the novel The Picture of Dorian Gray? The right answer is Oscar Wilde. Who wrote the novel The Great Expectations? Right answer is Charles Dickens. Who wrote the novel The Count of Monte Cristo? The right answer is Alexandria Dumas.